Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to update drivers on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. It is very important to update drivers on Windows. Sometimes our computer doesn't work properly, so the best practice is to update the graphics, update the sound card. So in this video, we will learn the easiest way to update the drivers on Windows 10 computer or Windows 11 computer. Let's get started. Please make sure that you watch the whole video and it will really help you. So here in the start icon, just do a right click and then go to device manager. Now once the device manager is opened, I'll just maximize it. Now whatever the driver which you want to update, for example, if I want to update display adapters, so once I click on this drop down menu, so I just have to expand it for display adapters. So here I can see my graphics. I have Intel UHD graphics. In your case you might have Nvidia, AMD or any other graphics. So I will tell you all possible ways to update this, so please don't worry about it. The very first option is just do a right click and click on update, and here we will get an option search automatically for drivers. For most of us it will show you the best driver for your device is already installed, and for some of us it will update the drivers. So if it updates, well and good, and if it doesn't, just close this window and do a right click again and go to property, and here go to drivers detail, and from here please check what exactly the date is here. I really have the latest graphics, that's why it's not giving me an option to update my drivers. Now from same window, I can roll back the driver if I have any issues, especially after updating it, and you want to go back to the previous driver. From here you can click on roll back driver and it will be done. If you're still not able to update your graphics, once you have downloaded the driver, it's time to install it. And please make sure that you only visit manufacturer website or Microsoft website or the Intel website. These are the only resources through which you should update or download the drivers. So for example, if you're using Nvidia, you can definitely go to Nvidia website, and from there you can download according to your model number of computer. Just do a right click and click on update driver and browse my computer for drivers. So here we are going to locate and install a driver manually. So once you click on that, and you can click on browse and go to your download section as you have downloaded, and from here you can select and click on OK, and you just have to click on next and your driver will be installed. You can also select this one, let me pick from a list. So if you want to check which all graphics you have earlier, so I can see I have 24th of June and 14th of October. So I can select the latest version of the graphics if I already have it, and then I can click on next. So in this manner these are the perfect ways to update your graphics or any other driver. Let's say if you want to update your sound driver, so I'll go to sound and video and game controllers, and if I want to update the Realtek audio, so I'll just do a right click on update driver and search automatically, and if it doesn't, then we can go to browse my computer for drivers, and you can visit the Realtek website, and from Realtek website download the high definition audio driver, and from here you can click on update driver. And once you have downloaded the driver from Realtek website, then you can click on browse my computer for drivers, select the location from where you have downloaded, and then just click on next and it will be installed. Let me know in the comment section which driver you have updated and which driver you're trying to install it, and if you're unable to do it, let me know in the comment section. I will surely help, and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.